So I got this Toyota Corolla 2023, and the problem is with parking system. So it's showing this sign: system malfunction, parking spot break off, and malfunction visit due dealer. Okay, I already scanned the system on my diagnostic, and as you can see, let's see what's the issue. So in this vehicle, there's basically BCM parking module system. It was damaged, so it's gonna fit over here. So I repaired the BCM. As you can see, it was damaged, so let's fit in and try. So everything is done now. Pull everything and pull the bumper back as well. So let's see now. So in the dash, there's no signal, no dash light, nothing at all. And even I'll clean the, as you can see, so it's confirmed. So let's clean it. Yeah, look, no code, nothing. If you see report, yeah, there's no code. Yeah, so all done, no code, no message on the dial, and plus no code on a scan tool. So let's try again. I'm gonna put in a reverse, see if the parking system is working or not. Yes, as you can see, system is working. Now check in the front side. Yeah, the front sensor is working as well. So all sorted. Remember, any electric issue, call Deenfix.